I just finished restoring this antique automaton clock. You can see there's a tiny little angel, or a cherub, hammering away his arrow on an anvil. Fully serviced the movement, so it works exactly as it should. Gorgeous cosmetic condition. I really like the marble base. This was made by the Dittysheim Goldschmidt Company right around 1900. Wonderful condition. And then there's also a romance scene. I'm always drawn to small clocks, and if there's animation and automaton figure, that just makes it extra cool. So in summary, an antique, small, this wouldn't be considered a miniature, small automaton clock, crafted circa 1900. Take care.